Hi everyone, I'm here to show you one bedroom apartment in this beautiful Germantown area, and the building is located here near Haynes and this Greene Street. This is Greene Street. On this street you get you can easily get public transit bus number 71 and 81 drives on this street, which is Greene Street. The next street you see over there is Rittenhouse. So this is a building. There are 4 apartments in this building. It's beautiful area, 3 line, plenty of parking space. The unit I'm about to show you is located on a 2nd floor. The place has the window unit for the AC. You got 2 doors to get in. I left it open for this video. The first one here, you have to have a key to open it. Then this is the vestibule. You have your mailboxes here, and the 2nd door to go upstairs. This is the hallway. Beautiful old building. The unit is on the 2nd floor. Before I go to the unit, I would like to show you the common space, which is a basement. Turn on the light here. In a basement you have your storage space and also the laundry machine. Every unit has its own heater and water boiler. Here you have your laundry machine, 1 dryer and 1 washing machine, free to use. You also have a storage for the tenants. This is the basement. Going up, all right, going up to the 2nd floor. All right, this is the 2nd floor. There are 2 entrances to this unit. You could go through this one, or you could go through here, the kitchen. Let's open this and go through the living space. This is the first space you see. It's a huge living space, living room. You have 3 windows, one here, one here, one there, and it's just huge living space. You have high ceiling, a beautiful hardwood floor, a radiator heat. You'll be looking out to Greene Street, and the place gets a lot of natural light, as you could see. And the next space is your kitchen and dining area. Beautiful kitchen and dining area. You have 2 windows here as well. Earlier I showed you there are 2 doors for this unit, like from inside, so I could open this one. So this door, it could take you to the hallway here. We went in through this door, but you could come through here. You can easily change this place into 2 bedrooms if you chose. You could use this as a bedroom. But right now you have, this is your living space, and this is your kitchen. In your kitchen you have a beautiful gas range, built-in microwave, upgraded countertop, wood cabinet, beautiful. And you have a refrigerator, a dishwasher, everything you need in a kitchen. From your kitchen you'll be looking out to the side of the building, to the alley. Here is the view from this angle. Then the next space I would like to show you is your beautiful bathroom. Here is the bathroom. You have your bathtub, tile floor. You have a medicine cabinet here. And here, big medicine cabinet. You have your toilet. Small window for a fresh air. Shower, bathtub combo. And just across the hallway from the bathroom, you have this huge closet space. It has a light fixture also. You could turn on a light, but it's a walk-in closet. Next is your bedroom. As you could see, the bedroom gets a lot of natural light. You have 4 windows, beautiful windows, huge bedroom, and this is facing to the back of the bedroom, is sitting to the back of the building, so away from the noises. This is the view. In the bedroom, you have this nice closet. Deep closet. From your bedroom, you could see to the side of the building and also to the back. So I just showed you a 1-bedroom apartment, which you can easily turn it to 2-bedroom apartment in this beautiful German town. This apartment is available for an immediate move-in. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.